Can I ask the kids?
Yes, please.
Talagang kids talaga. Anyway, how did you exactly feel, or did you imagine, like what I asked your mom, did you imagine this happening, like all of you appearing in a sitcom together?
Never talaga. We never really expected it, diba? Bigla lang when the offer came, and syempre we talked about it, and it sounded exciting, it sounded very fun, so we said, why not, diba? But if you asked us last year or 2 years ago, we were to expect it, di talaga po. Like, bigla lang talaga.
Yeah, we never saw it coming. But when it came, of course, just like Andres said, of course we were super excited because we always spent so much time together. And like I've always been saying, we've been method acting our whole lives. You guys are our actual parents, you're my actual brother, and what more to be even having a beautiful cast filled with legends and such great people. It was all so when it first came, of course, game the game, it's such a great opportunity and there's so much to learn and it's such a great life experience to even look back at in, let's say, a decade's time.
Thank you. Last question. Had it not been with your parents, would you have said yes to doing a sitcom?
Para sa akin, yes, kasi I need to work lang kung magtrabaho. So, pero
You need to work.
all the more, I'm really, feel very happy na.
Kailangan mo trabaho kasi wala naman kung parang kasi wala siya pamili.
Yes. For the same answer as Andres, yes, kailangan di magtrabaho. Kasi we just finished college. So, parang now that college is done, start working and of course, see where it goes.
Yeah. They've always instilled in them the value of hard work. So that's something that they know na kailangan nilang gawin. Of course, create their own journey as time goes by.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.